Okay, so we're gonna kind of focus on this construction a little bit, and then we're gonna go down that one and call this one that, whatever that street is. So I guess the street will have this giant building, I guess, China State Construction. So let's show you some of the other stuff around here too before we go in. We got this kind of giant CEM building that's bizarre. I guess this is all electricity. Okay, so let's just focus on that one and we'll see what's around here as we do. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so that's going to be our focus right there. And what we're going to do is navigate towards there, and that's our kind of bizarre looking building. So I think it's the energy place, and we're going to try to go behind here as well. Then we're going to try to follow whatever street this is, and we also have a nice park here too, so I definitely want to catch it. Look how cool that bike is. So this one is called Travessa de Nordeste. Okay, I think earlier it was on Avenida de Nordeste, which I think is that other one up there. So this is actually a little Travessa. There's our little CEM building over there. And it looks like this is basically it. So I guess what we'll do is focus on the park. So we're gonna go into the park. Nice tree. It looks like you can sit and enjoy this park a little bit. People are walking backwards. So I think we'll kind of follow it like this. I think that was a gas station right there. Okay, it looks like you can also walk your dog. I see a dog over here, lots of people exercising. And I think that this park goes all the way down as well. So this is just a little bit of it. And then once we get down there, I think it's gonna stop. And earlier I filmed another street called Nordeste as well. So I think that this might be a park. It's definitely a park that goes all the way down, because there's a park that goes quite a ways, and I think right here is a dog area. We'll definitely check out all of this because we're here anyways. These are six-pack buildings, so this is like one giant building. Yeah, it looks like a little dog area. And I think our street ends right here as well. Oh no, actually we can go around it. So yeah, this is Avenida de Nordeste, and I think that this one goes into Avenida de 1st of May, Primero de Mayo. Yeah, it does. And it's a dog right there. And we got a giant gas station right here. So I guess we'll walk along the gas station. There's a gas station right there, and we'll try to catch the sidewalk here. So yeah, this is a different street, but I think kind of want to capture it anyways, because there's also CEM there as well. There's one of the six-pack apartment buildings. I actually explained six-pack a little bit in some of the other videos, but basically six-pack is these 6 giant city blocks of apartments, and that's one city block right there. Even though there's a gap in it, it's actually the same apartment. It's all shared space. It's kind of enclosed. So that's just like kind of an entrance to go into the middle part, and there's like a little plaza thing in the middle. But there's one giant apartment right here, even with that gap. And then there's 2, and then there's 3. And they're all identical, they're all about the same. They're not identical, they're all the same size, but they're all unique in their different stores and different, however that middle part, the associated parts decides to group them together. So there's some variation and differences in them. Okay, so now we're basically on Avenida de Primero de Mayo, 1st of May. I think there's a lot of dogs because they're bringing their dogs to the dog park down here. And then here's that CEM building again, that green building. And then you'll be able to see it from a different angle. So yeah, it looks like this whole angle right there. It kind of goes all the way down. Let's see if we can get across. And then I'll capture this other street that's on it as well. And you'll see Avenida Primero de Mayo right there. This is back behind me. And then the CEM building, that giant green building, straight ahead. And I think we're gonna end it right in this spot. So there you go.
Chiquinha,